Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and buy USDT on OKX. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open up my OKX account right here, and inside you could just go ahead and proceed by clicking on the corner of your screen, which is at the top left corner. And right below that, you will be able to see the manage assets section. You could just go ahead and browse through it and you will be able to see the P2P trading. This basically means person to person. So just go ahead and click on it, and inside you will be able to see a buy and sell button. Since we are buying some crypto in this platform right here, you want to go ahead and click on the buy section, and inside you have your filters like your coin, which is going to be USDT, the amount that you want to buy, which in our case, as an example, I'm just going to go ahead and hit 10 USDT right here, and we also have your payment method. And after typing your filters, this merchants will go ahead and pop up. As you could go ahead and see, we have the name of the merchant right here, which is the pockets. They have the transactions, which is 179 transactions for this merchant right here, and right beside that they have their success rate, which is 97.28% completion. And right below that we have another merchant, which is Urgel 3D. He has around 2,556 transactions and has over 98% completion. So you want to go ahead and find a reliable and trusted merchant right here. So you want to go ahead and click on a merchant right here, and after clicking on a merchant, this will go ahead and notify the merchant that a user wants to trade with that specific merchant, and they will go ahead and send their crypto or assets to your account, and OKX will now go ahead and notify you that you could go ahead and release your fiat currency safely. So this is basically person-to-person trading that is on the OKX platform. This is completely safe and every merchant right here has been filtered out. So you could just go ahead and choose your specific merchant, and in that way you will be able to buy USDT on OKX. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.